We enjoy using English in real life. We enjoy using English in real life. Repeat again. We enjoy using English in real life.
Enjoy using your voice. Let's begin.
Sentence 1. We lock the front door before we leave. We lock the front door before we leave. Repeat again. We lock the front door before we leave. Sentence 2. We carry our bag with us. We carry our bag with us. Repeat again. We carry our bag with us. Sentence 3. We check that we have our keys. We check that we have our keys. Repeat again. We check that we have our keys. Wonderful. That's a great start. Sentence 4. We walk to the bus stop. We walk to the bus stop. Repeat again. We walk to the bus stop. Sentence 5. We wait patiently for the bus. We wait patiently for the bus. Repeat again. We wait patiently for the bus. Amazing. Take your time. Sentence 6. We get on the bus carefully. We get on the bus carefully. Repeat again. We get on the bus carefully. Excellent. Sentence 7. We find a comfortable seat. We find a comfortable seat. Repeat again. We find a comfortable seat. Wonderful. Sentence 8. We enjoy the ride to work. We enjoy the ride to work. Repeat again. We enjoy the ride to work. Sentence 9. We look out the window. We look out the window. Repeat again. We look out the window. Sentence 10. We arrive safely at our destination. We arrive safely at our destination. Repeat again. We arrive safely at our destination.
Excellent work. We've already completed 10 sentences. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Take a sip of water if you need one. When you're ready, let's continue together.
Sentence 11. We greet people with a friendly smile. We greet people with a friendly smile. Repeat again. We greet people with a friendly smile. Wonderful. Sentence 12. We say good morning with confidence. We say good morning with confidence. Repeat again. We say good morning with confidence. Sentence 13. We listen carefully when people speak. We listen carefully when people speak. Repeat again. We listen carefully when people speak. Sentence 14. We ask simple questions politely. We ask simple questions politely. Repeat again. We ask simple questions politely. Sentence 15. We answer clearly and confidently. We answer clearly and confidently. Repeat again. We answer clearly and confidently. Sentence 16. We enjoy meeting new people. We enjoy meeting new people. Repeat again. We enjoy meeting new people. Excellent. Sentence 17. We learn something new every day. We learn something new every day. Repeat again. We learn something new every day. Sentence 18. We become more confident with every conversation. We become more confident with every conversation. Repeat again. We become more confident with every conversation. Sentence 19. We enjoy using English in real life. We enjoy using English in real life. Repeat again. We enjoy using English in real life. Excellent. Sentence 20. We are ready for another successful day. We are ready for another successful day. Repeat again. We are ready for another successful day.
Outstanding work. The goal isn't just to learn English. The goal is to use English, and you're doing exactly that. These simple sentences may seem easy, but they are incredibly useful.
Here's today's English tour challenge. The next time you leave your home, try saying a few of today's sentences quietly to yourself. As you lock the door, say, "We lock the front door before we leave." As you walk outside, say, "We walk to the bus stop," or "We enjoy the ride to work or school."
Connecting English with real actions is one of the fastest ways to remember new sentences. Thank you for joining us for English Tour Shadowing Challenge. We will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.